Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Let's learn English with me, Mr. Tommy. Okay, today's meeting we're gonna be talk about report text. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, let's discuss together. Yeah. Report text is a kind of text which presents information about something as it is. It presents detailed information about something in general based on research. Yeah, and we can identify the report text based on the generic structures. It includes the first one is general classifications that state classification of general aspects of thing, animal, public place, plants, etc. Yeah. So it will be discussed in general way. Yeah. And then the second paragraph is usually about descriptions. The description tells what the phenomenon under discussions. So it can be the terms of parts, qualities, habits, or behaviors. Yeah, that the topic that we discuss from the report text itself. And the second one, we can identify the purpose of the text of report. It is to present information about something as it is, like we previously talked about the definition of report text, is it? And then the third one is about the characteristics of report text. Usually, the report text use of general nouns and use of timeless present tense, use of relating verbs, use of paragraphs with topic sentences. Yeah. Okay, jump to the next slides. The language features, yeah, that I mentioned previously, it can be recognized with the linking verb. Yeah, they are is, are, seem, yeah, grow, go, and then this, etc. Yeah, and then the timeless presence, it can be often, usually, always, sometimes, etc. And then scientific term, uh, so it can be specific or scientific terms that can be discussed in the text of report. Yeah, and there are techniques, or you can say, or biological terms or other terms in the scientific or social phenomenon. Yeah, and then the general noun, it can be tiger, the topic of monster or airplane, etc. And the text of report usually use present tense. Yeah, for example, the sentence is tiger lives in the jungle. So the clause of this, yeah, the sentence tiger lives in the jungle, it use present tense. Yeah, and then sometimes the report text also use passive voice patterns. For example, it is grown for protections. Yeah, so it can be clear, yeah, for us to understand that it is passive voice. Okay, now the type of report text, yeah, includes animal, yeah, the topic of plants, technology, phenomenon, yeah, natural phenomenon, or maybe social phenomenon. Okay, let's see to understand more about the text of report as our example today for discussing. Okay, I think the title of this text is clear enough. We can identify from the first paragraph. Yeah, the island of Bingo. Text one. Yeah, the island of Bingo is by the island of Singai in the water around Bingo Islands. There are hundreds of sharks. There are so many that the water bubbles like a whirlpool. People can only get to Bingo Island by boat. The boat has a rocket on it. The rocket takes people over the shark and onto the island. Bingo Island has no sand, but it has green moss. At night, the moss sparkles like stars. Tall stars called Fuji grow everywhere. Fuji is the name of a tree. The Fuji trees have purple leaves at the top and yellow fruits all over them. When the fruits fall off, another tree grows in a minute. The weather on Wingo Island is very hot, but at 12 o'clock every day it rains. Sometimes there are windstorms. The windstorm happen because many animals fly around at the same time. People who live in Wingo Island sleep in a big glue. Yeah, it is like a glue, but the big glue is on long poles. It has a ladder to get up and a slide to come down. The big glue has moss bed, chairs, and tables that are made of Fuji trees. There's no television on Wingo Island, so there's no telephone and computers. It is a place to listen to the leaves whispering. It is a place to lie on soft green moss and look at the clouds. It is really a place to swim. Yeah, I think it's clear enough to understand the context and the what is it? The main idea and also the content of this text. Yeah. Okay. For further information to understand more about this text, let's look at the questions on the next slide. Yeah. There are 10 questions for this text. Let's analyze or identify one by one. From the first number, what does the text tell us about? Yeah, do you know the answer? Okay, good. Okay, next. What is the purpose of the text above? Okay, yeah, think of it for the answer number two. Okay, next for number three. What is a Fuji? What is a Fuji? And number four. What are the chairs and tables in the island made of? Okay, it's behind the tree, yeah, the pictures. And then number five, what causes windstorms at Ringo Island? And number six, where do the people of the island live in? Now number seven, it is like an igloo, but the big glue is on long poles. On paragraph three, the word it refers to. I think everyone can answer this questions well. And now number eight, is there any television on Ringo Island? Do you think? There is any television or not. Okay, now number nine. It is place to listen to the leaves whispering. On paragraph 4, the word it so refers to. Okay, the last number. How do people get to Ringo Island? That's it. The questions for the next one. Okay, let's move to the next line. Yeah, the other text. Yeah, to prove that the text of report use present tense, yeah, in the language features. And look at the right side, there are five questions. For example, monkey is classified into primates. So the bold letter or the bold words, yeah, here indicates that the clauses use simple present tense, right? Is a kind of be for nominal sentence in the context of present tense because the subject is monkey as a singular subject, and then have because monkey is plural, so we need verb without adding s or es. Yeah, have, not has. And then some monkeys also have. And alone here helps to the verb, the subjects. Yeah, prehensile tails. Some monkeys. And then use is a verb, yeah, that modified from the subject they. And then they want all of their body, all of their bodies, yeah, their body is, and then their body is. Okay, good, yeah. They are, so they eat, yeah. I think it's clear enough. So let's look at For the questions, number one, what is the text about? The text about monkey. Yeah, explain monkey in general. And then what is the purpose of the text? What is the purpose of the text? Yeah, good. Why are they called omnivorous? Because they eat almost anything. Yeah. How can they climb a tree? Okay, good. They are omnivorous. What does they refer to? Yeah, of course. Good. Yeah. I think your answers are correct. Yeah. Okay, great job. Next, yeah. Here in this lessons, I'd like uh, to give you the assignment of project, yeah, or project assignment to do, yeah, as a assessment to know that you comprehend or not to this material. Please, you can copy, yeah, for this circumstance, for this formats. Start from writing down your name and then state your grade or materials and then the basic competence, yeah. And then project, you have to create factual report text, yeah. As I explained before, that the kinds of the types of report text can be animal, plants, yeah, phenomenon, but natural or social, yeah, etc. And then the tool or equipments you need for the paper, color marker, pencil, pen, window paper, glue, eraser, cutter, and ruler. And the result of your project assignment, you can attach this paper, and then you have to explain the social function of your text, yeah, of your own text. Do you understand how to do or how to finish your project assignment? If you have any questions for further information about this assignment or anything about our today's materials, please you can contact me on my number. Yeah, I think that's all for today's lessons. Thank you for your kind attentions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.